Perfect. Yeah, baby!
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ Dunn here for another travel vlog. I appreciate you guys clicking the link and joining in. As you can see, I'm in a Christmas sweater. I have a beanie on. I'm gonna be honest with you, this quarantine has got me a little messed up. I've been rotating the same 5 outfits from crew necks to sweats for the week. So pardon my wardrobe, but let's get into the video. So I'm in Dominican Republic for the first time. I went from Switzerland. I had a bunch of Europeans with me as far as that are in this crew, and we went down there to shoot a wedding. My first time in Punta Cana, and it was beautiful. I'll be honest with you, there's not much to do in Punta Cana but eat, drink, party, and I guess shoot weddings. All right, so here we are in Punta Cana. I say that with the accent. Passing this mall right here, Hard Rock and Outback Steakhouse. Look at how I'm driving. This is straight. The steering wheel is straight, but it's crooked. This is what happens when you rent a car out here. It was raining earlier. The windshield wipers don't work. But you know, that's just how it is when you're almost. I guess it's third world. In my opinion, you've been to one island. You've been to them all. There's a lot. The asses are bigger on this island, though. I'll be honest with you. The asses are bigger on this island. But yeah, all the Caribbean islands are pretty much the same. Seen one beach, you've seen them all. Beach by the day, and then clubbing at night. As far as the island, I thought, the resort we stayed at was great. All inclusive, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I mean, you could just eat whenever you wanted to, and that was great. But we went down there for a wedding, and it was a beautiful ceremony. The wedding was amazing. The couple was super happy. They better be. It's their wedding day.
¿La sirve? ¿Qué comes ahí?
The dancing, the women really knew what they were doing. I want to go to Santa Domingo next time. I didn't get a chance. It's like 2.5, 3 hours away from Punta Cana. I heard great things. So I definitely want to check out a little more culture in Santa Domingo next time I go. But I'm glad I got the opportunity to go to Punta Cana, because if I didn't take this job, I would have never gone to Cuba. In Cuba, you could check one of the other links out. I've already uploaded Cuba already. First time on a private plane. And that was a blessing in disguise. The plane that was supposed to pick us up to take us back to Switzerland broke down in Florida. And my buddy was like, hey Russ, we got a jet. If we want to, we can shoot to Cuba and then fly out Cuba. And I was like, yo, let's do it. Well, I appreciate you guys watching my Dominican Republic travel vlog. I'm still trying to get my formula down, my format down on how I do this vlogging thing. Because I'll be honest with you, I don't keep the camera on 100% of the time when I think I should. Subscribe, follow Tatted Passport, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Russ Dunn, and follow me too on Instagram. So I appreciate it. Thanks.